I decided to move in a chef apartment. So there is a girl named Shefina which is moving to the chef apartment. Chef was initially paying a rent of X rupees. Since Shefina is moving in, the owner decided to double the rent. Okay. So initially the chef was paying X rupees as a rent, and after moving, since the Shefina is moving in this apartment, so the owner decided to double the rent. Okay. So to return the you have to return the rent that chef need to pay. Okay. So the input format is that there is given a single integer x, which is denoting the initially paying of rent which was given by the chef to the owner of the house, and you have to return the new rent. Okay. So let's do this. First you have to take int x, which is rent, and you have to take the input, which is initially the chef was paying, and after this you just have to do double of x. Okay. So let's run this code. You have to do cout. This code works fine. Let's submit this. Yeah, this has been accepted. Thanks for watching.